Hi guys, 7 facts about me. Woohoo! I have them saved in my notes because if I were to do this on the spot, I would just instantly forget everything about me. Number 1, I don't believe in ghosts, but I literally watch scary movies one after one, and I'd seriously do this all day and all night. Every day and every night. I don't like warm coffee, and I don't like warm tea, and I don't like hot chocolate, and I don't like anything warm that you drink. It's disgusting. Coldness. I love pizza way more than a human should love pizza. I just stuttered. Did you hear that? Oh god. I literally eat pizza almost every day. I'm not even kidding. My favorite animal in the whole world is a wolf, even though I've never seen one in my life. I'm not in a gang, but I am a gangster. In 10th grade, I had red hair, and then I changed it to blue, and then I changed it back to red, and people were really confused, and they were like, what gang are you even in? And I was like, I'm not in a gang. Putting that out there. Septum piercings are not painful at all. I would pierce mine every single day if I should. That's how non-painful it was. Most painless thing in the whole world. Last one. I have like really bad breathing problems. I don't know if it's asthma or I have no idea. I like hold my breath when I'm not even like knowing that I am. And then after a while my brain's just like not breathing and I'm just like, oh. And then like I'll just be sitting there and I'll just be like it's not really like that, but seriously, like I hold my breath and I don't even know I am, and I can never breathe like at all. Like this happens when I'm at school, it happens when I'm alone, it happens when I'm driving, it happens when I'm in the shower, it happens when I'm, at work. I don't know. It's just, it always happens, and people look at me like I'm a fucking weirdo and there's like, what is your problem? Overly dramatic much? Exactly. It affects my singing, it affects my talking, it affects my just being alive. Stupid breathing. Who needs breathing? I love you guys so much, and I dare all of you to do this 7 facts about me thingy. Okay, bye!